Two cars moving in the same direction have speeds of 100 kilometers per hour and 130 kilometers per hour. What is the velocity of the faster car as measured by the observer in the slower car? A. 130 kilometers per hour. B. 230 kilometers per hour. C. 200 kilometers per hour. D. 30 kilometers per hour. Now, if you look at this question is on relative motion. What is relative motion? Relative motion is simply relating the motion of this body to another body. Okay, now let me go straight to the point. If you have any problem on relative motion, what you should know, the principle you shouldn't forget is that if the two bodies are moving in the same direction, okay, if they are moving in the same direction, either this way, I hope you know if they are moving like this, is opposite. And if they are moving away from each other, it is what? Opposite direction. So if it is in opposite direction, either moving towards each other or moving away from each other, you add the speed. And if they are moving in the same direction, the two bodies are moving in the same direction, they are moving in the same direction, you subtract the speed. Okay, this is JAMB question, so you don't need to waste time. You need to know the principles guiding whatever question you are solving. Now this is relative motion. So for a body moving in the same direction, if they are moving in the same direction, you subtract the speed. If they are moving in opposite direction, you add the speed. Now let's check it out from this question. Is it in the same direction or in the opposite direction? And then we apply the principle and then we solve this problem. All right, let's read the question. Two cars moving in the same direction. I already told you what you need to do. For same direction, what do? They are moving in the same direction, either this way or this way. The two bodies, let's say this is body A, body B, they are moving in the same direction. Body A, body B, moving in the same direction. What does that mean? What do we do to the speed? If they are moving in the same direction, we subtract. Okay, so solution. Since we know that the two bodies are moving in the same direction, so let's say this is the first car A moving in this direction, and then we have another car moving in this same direction, but not with the same speed. Okay, now let's check out the question. You see, have speed of 100 kilometer and 100. So this one, of course, the one at the back will have 100 kilometer per hour, and the one in front will be what? 130 kilometer per hour. Okay, so what is the velocity of the faster car as measured by the observer in the slower car? So it doesn't matter this English here. The most important keyword you need to know is that they are in same direction. And what do we do to the speed of bodies moving in the same direction? What do? We subtract. So we have this speed, we have this speed. What do? We do 130 minus 100. And 130 minus 100 will give us what? 30 kilometer per hour. And what is our answer? D is our answer. So D is the correct answer. So this is the way we solve. All right, I am Bukola Joseph, the physics enthusiast. Bye.